Hey guys, in this video I wanted to show you how I display my trading cards on my shelf. So somebody already designed this on Thingiverse. I'll leave a link to the original designer of this, but basically this stand allows you to put some trading cards into it, and this was designed specifically for these 35 point Ultra Pro cases. And I even have like this outer sleeve on it, so these work perfectly in terms of fitting them and allowing you to display them on your shelf. The designer also created one for the PSA cards, so if you have some that are PSA graded and they come in, the typical cases like that, there are also cases stands available for them. And the PSA ones are a little bit longer. If I show you, so they're a little bit longer, so you do need to print a separate one for that. But these are really nice because I do have trading cards that I really like to display. Like the current ones I like are the Lost Thunder Hyper Rares. So here's Alolan Ninetales and a couple other ones. And these will also work with the magnetic snaps as well from Ultra Pro. So this, you can tell the difference by the little dot at the top. That one uses a screw and this one uses a magnetic snap to keep it closed, and it fits that as well. So yeah, so that's how I display my trading cards. I think it's a really good way to especially show them off. And with these stands, what I did was I printed these with PETG filament and 20% fill, I think, no supports or raft, so it's really easy to print. You can probably use PLA and ABS as well. Pretty much anything would work because there's not a lot of stress that is going to be applied to these stands. They're just holding a card up, right? So they don't need to be super durable. So PLA should work just fine as well. But I typically print with PETG now as opposed to ABS or PLA, and I think they worked out really well. I'm using red because that's what I have, but you could obviously use other colors. I think I might use like maybe translucent, something translucent like a clear or something like that would look a little bit better, or maybe even black. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope it gives you some ideas on how to display your trading cards. Anyways, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.